Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. We are always looking for a way to make our coffee experience better, and I want to show you this little tray that has done that. So this is a pour over brewing tray or stand. This is from HEXNUB, and this thing is pretty awesome. So it is a compact and sleek little design. It is made from bamboo and it has a cork trivet in it. Not only does it have the cork trivet, which is great, it also has a little drawer for accessories, for filters, or whatever you want to put in there. And this does an awesome job. So we always use a cork trivet when we are brewing with a pour over because it just helps to keep your coffee warmer for longer and protect the Chemex from your cold countertop. So this thing is pretty great because it gives you that cork foundation, but it also elevates it and gives you that room for your filters. So your countertop or coffee station is going to look so neat and so tidy. And this thing is just gorgeous. So I also love that on the back, there are these little feet that will protect your countertop from any scratches. It's easy to wipe it down and remove the trivet to clean it as well. And we have just found that it's been an awesome addition to our coffee station. We have a huge 10-cup Chemex coffee maker and it fits on this nicely. You could use this with a ton of different options for pour over coffee makers, a Moka pot, and it is going to be a great addition. So we could not be happier with the functionality and the beautiful design of this HEXNUB pour over coffee stand. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.